When we got to know Scotland Farm, it's just so beautiful. I thought it would be such a pity not to share it with people. People can come and enjoy, whether it's the B&B or whether they come visit the lambs at lambing time, or whether they just come every week and collect a dozen eggs.
Clever girls.
Out you come. Come on, ladies. The hen department's actually headed up by Paxman, who's a rescue and probably the oldest inhabitant of Scotland Farm. So we've got Dexter and Morgan, Stabler, Benson, we've got Celeste and Flossie, with a cockerel by the name of Dylan. See if she wants it. Well, the vet has said, Jessica, you're not my usual farmer customer. The animals are part of the farm. They're important. Their welfare is absolutely critical. That is not negotiable. There is no option on going short on some animal care.
Huge man. Hello, is it? My goodness. Well done.
We've achieved, in terms of product, far more than I ever thought I could do with not only the duvets but the pillows and the blankets, knitting wool, sheepskins and the meat. But the one thing we are absolutely pedantic about, if we do something, we do it properly, so that we're offering quality product. Whatever we've achieved here, all credit has to go to the sheep. They're the ones who produce this fantastic fibre. We can't produce this in the laboratory with all its amazing physical properties. We're just raising little duvets. It's just extraordinary.